Here are some tips and recommendations. To get to the desktop icon settings, we can utilize the Run tool and then write this. And this works in Windows 11 too. When you delete an item from elsewhere in your computer, it moves the item to the recycle bin. But when you delete an item from the recycle bin, it permanently deletes it. So beware. If you are sure that you want to remove an item from your PC without sending it to the recycle bin, you can achieve that by holding Shift key while pressing the Delete key. Checking "Don't move files to the recycle bin, remove files immediately when deleted" in your recycle bin properties is almost the same as disabling the recycle bin. This makes data recovery much more difficult, and it's not recommended too. After you had the recycle bin pinned at Quick Access or Start menu, if you decide to get rid of that, you can easily do that by right-clicking where it is and selecting the Unpin option from the context menu. You can also go directly to the Start menu, right-click on the recycle bin and unpin it. It's that much easy. Occasionally, the recycle bin can become corrupted, causing errors. Emptying the recycle bin often resolves this issue. If not, searching online for how to repair corrupted recycle bin in Windows will offer some solutions. Try your best. The System Recycle Bin folder is a hidden, system-protected folder that serves as a back-end storage for the Windows Recycle Bin. Manually modifying or manipulating the contents within this folder carries several risks, like data loss, recycle bin corruption, permission and security issues, temporary system instability, and unintended consequences. So what's recommended is, if you want to clear your recycle bin, use system utilities like recycle bin itself by using empty recycle bin, or you can use disk cleanup. You can even configure storage scenes for automated cleanup to reduce unnecessary manual interventions. You should always avoid manual manipulation of this folder. Do not rename it, move it, or edit files inside this folder. Finally, as we get the recycle bin empty, disk space we managed to free up looks like this. And it's really impressive. I hope you benefited. Thank you for your company.